Yes, good morning, everyone. I hope you are able to hear me and you are able to watch my screen. Welcome for our RTL online trainings and placements. Now, this is our supply chain management demo in Oracle Fusion Cloud ERP software. We are going to have 3 demo sessions. Today is our first demo 1, and then tomorrow we are going to have second demo, and day after tomorrow we are going to have third demo. So 3 demo sessions we are going to have. So today we will talk about what is cloud, what are different cloud companies we have, what is cloud, what are different cloud companies we have, what is Oracle Cloud, what are different tools or products available in Oracle Cloud, then what are different environments we have, then what is Oracle Fusion, what is Oracle Fusion applications, what is Oracle Fusion applications supply chain management, what are the job roles we have in supply chain management, what are the responsibilities we have in Oracle Fusion Cloud Supply Chain Management. These are very basic topics and theoretical topics we are going to discuss here. So after completion of this demo, tomorrow we are going to have a real-time assignment, how to perform that. Practically we'll be discussing. And also we will take another assignment on Wednesday. So that's going to be our third assignment. We will be doing it. After that, from Thursday onwards, we are going for regular classes. From Thursday onwards, it's going to be our regular classes. Okay. So first we'll talk about what is cloud. What is cloud? What are different cloud companies we have? So cloud is basically an virtual server. Cloud is basically virtual server. So if any clients are doing the business, obviously they will be maintaining the server to store their day-to-day business transactions. Whatever the business transactions they perform, sales, procurement, payables, accounts, employee salaries, customers, customer feedback, suppliers, bank transactions, everything, they'll maintain it in the server, right? So the clients are going to have their own servers. We call it as on-premises server. On-premises server. On-premises is nothing but the client will have their own server. Clients will have their own server in their office, and they will maintain 24/7 DBS, and they will take care of the complete upgradation, migration, support, everything. They take care of that. But nowadays, if you look at last 7, 8 years, most of the clients are moving to cloud environment. There are multiple reasons why the people are going into the cloud environment, because they don't want to take the risk maintaining their own server. They want to use the other company servers, nothing but a virtual servers. For example, let's say even we are also using the cloud. For example, we have YouTube. So I'm entering the URL here, youtube.com. Then I'm going to enter my username and password, Gmail ID. After that, I'm going to access this entire content. Sometimes I'm going to perform some transactions here. I'm going to give the comment or rating or like or dislike. And also I will be able to upload the content also. So I'm able to perform all this. This all are operations I'm performing. This content is not stored in my laptop. This content is not stored in my company server also. It's stored in somewhere. I don't know where exactly that server is located. That is YouTube server. So YouTube company is maintaining this server to store this content, entire content. So what we are doing is just we are entering URL, and then we are going to enter username and password and perform. Not only the YouTube or Facebook or LinkedIn or whatever the transactions. So these all are virtual servers. It's are not located in your office or it's not located in your laptop, right? So that's what cloud. Cloud is nothing but a virtual server which we can use it either rental based or free of cost. So some companies are providing free of cost for 1 month or 2 months, their servers. Okay. So you can utilize their servers. Okay. And if you feel that it is flexible and faster, then you can go for make the payment rental. You can make the rent. You can have an agreement for 1 year or 5 years. Depends on the usage. You can increase the server configuration and decrease the server configuration. For example, you might have seen some companies are going to put the offers, year-end offers or month-end offers, festival offers like that. That time there will be more traffic on the website or applications, and huge data is going to come into the applications, right? That time, obviously, we have to maintain the server. Otherwise, server will get shut down. It can't maintain all those millions of logins, attempts, and everything, right? So that flexibility is there in the cloud, where whenever you want to increase the configuration, you can increase. When you want to decrease, you don't want, that time you can go for decrease it. Okay. So basically, cloud is nothing but a server, virtual server. It's a hardware. Cloud is nothing but a virtual server. So whenever clients are using on-premises servers, instead of maintaining their applications in the on-premises servers, okay, they want to maintain all this business data in some other company's servers. We call it as a cloud. We call it as cloud. Who are providing this cloud servers? Who are providing this cloud business? So there is a AWS, Amazon Web Services. They provide this cloud offerings. And then we have Microsoft Azure. They provide servers. And then we have GCP, Google Cloud providers. Then we got Oracle. Then, of course, other companies are there. But major, these companies, AWS company will give the servers on rental basis. Azure also they provide, Microsoft company, and Google company also will provide the servers on rental. Oracle also is into the Oracle business, cloud business. But these three are seniors. AWS, Azure, Microsoft Azure, and Google, they entered into cloud market in 2007-6 that time. Okay. But Oracle entered in 2014, 15. That time. It's almost 9 years. Okay. So compared to these three companies, Oracle is having less experience in cloud. But Oracle has got an excellent tools and products in the cloud environment. We'll come back to that. Okay. So who are providing this cloud server offerings? We will find major companies. Top 4 companies are this. Okay. So that's why if you go to oracle.com website, you will find that it's a cloud application and cloud platform. Earlier, Oracle means everybody talks about it's a database company. It's a database, right? Or they have some tools, ERP tools like that. But nowhere they were into cloud. But now 100% it's a cloud-based company. Oracle is completely cloud-based company, like AWS, like Microsoft Azure, like Google Cloud providers. Oracle also is a cloud-based company. They have excuse me. They have data centers across the world, around 41 regions. Oracle established data centers. What you will find in this data centers is you will find there or supercomputers, which is having high-end servers. So you can use those servers. You can use those servers. In India also, we have 2 data centers. One is in Mumbai. They established in 2020. Another one is in Hyderabad. So 2 data centers are there. Okay. So what this data centers holds? This data centers are used to maintain the servers, supercomputers, means high-end configuration servers. Okay. So if any client says that it's very difficult for me to manage all my day-to-day transactions in my server, I want to use your servers on rental basis. No problem. So you can connect to our data center and take one server for rental, and you can start using my servers. Okay. How you are to use their servers? See, how will you use their servers is they'll provide you the URL. They'll provide you the URL. Even if your client is maintaining the server, For example, your client says that, so for last 10, 15 years, I'm doing the business. I have my own server. Server room is there. DBAs are there 24 by 7. Okay, we are performing all our day-to-day transactions here. Okay, so even if you have your own server in your head office, okay, still you have to enter either IP address or URL to connect to your server, right? Every employee. Maybe you have 10,000 employees or 40,000 employees across India or across the world. Anywhere in the world, all your employees must connect to your server through internet or intranet, right? So that's common. Same way what Oracle is, what cloud companies are telling, we provide you the URL and we provide you the username and password. Then you start installing your softwares, you start development of your applications, or you start using your applications according to your requirement. It's as simple as, instead of having the server in your office, the server will be in my office. That server is mine only. You are just taking it for rental. You are just going to take it for a rental basis. You are going to, you are a tenant for my server. Okay. So these are different cloud companies we have. These are different cloud companies we have in the market available. When we say Oracle Cloud, so Oracle Cloud or AWS Cloud or Azure Cloud or Google Cloud. So it's not only the servers. I'm talking so far just server rental like that. It's not only the server. The major part is all companies are maintaining some tools and products inside of these servers. So if you go to one client, okay, if you go to one client and say that, if you go to one client and say that, are you going to use any cloud operations? Okay, so if you are maintaining your own server, then why don't you use our servers? Because our servers are more faster and all. Okay, so the next question from the clients will come. So I have no issues to use your servers, but do I get any tools or products available in your server, in your cloud, so that I can easily use those tools and products also? Okay, so if you say only server rental point of view, the client may or may not be interested to use your servers, means to use your cloud. Okay, they may or may not be interested. So what you have to do is, you have to offer some of the tools and products which are excellent for the current market, which are required for the companies. Okay, so those tools and products, you have to keep it, and you have to provide for less price, so that, or less price or flexible price. When I say flexible price, I can take it for 1 month. So let's say there is one reporting tool is there, analytics tool. I'll take 1 month rental. Okay, so if I feel, yes, this tool is really good, then I can extend. Otherwise, I'll stop the subscription. Okay, I don't need to invest a lot of money on the license, right? So that type of flexibility is there in the cloud. So what cloud companies are doing, not only just giving the servers on rental basis, they are going to keep good tools and products inside of the cloud, means inside of the server, means inside of the server, so that the people can easily subscribe for those tools and products and start working on that, or using on that. It depends on their requirement. It depends on their requirement. Okay, so when it comes to Oracle Cloud, so obviously, if you go to AWS company, they'll say that, yes, we are ready to provide our cloud access to you, means indirectly our server access to you. Depends on your requirement. You can choose what server configuration you want. Okay, and we will tell you what is the billing for that, monthly billing, quarterly billing, yearly billing, like that. Then inside of that particular server, what tools you want to have, what products you want to have, because we have list of tools and products available in our servers. Okay, so these are the tools you can go for subscribe free of cost for 1 month or 2 months, and these are the tools which you should pay the amount and start using it. Like that, definitely there will be a pricing plans in every company, in every cloud company. Okay, so here when we talk about different tools and products available in the Oracle Cloud, what are different tools and products are available? Obviously, Oracle will be there. Oracle database. Oracle database will be there. Apex tool is there. This is for development of pages. If you want to develop any low code pages or mobile apps, this tool will be used. OICS, Integration Cloud Services, is one of the tool which is used for data exchange between the web applications. Okay, if your client is using multiple applications, if they have data exchange between these applications regularly, then this tool will be useful for integrations point of view. VBCS is there. By using VBCS tool, you can build visually wondered pages. When I say wondered pages, you can easily navigate and graphical option, easy personalization, customization, that things can be done. Visual basic cloud services. DBCS is there. You can design the database cloud services. JCS is there. Java cloud services. You can go for build this Java applications here. And NetSuite is there. NetSuite is not a tool, it is a product. So the difference between the tool and product is tool is basically a particular application or tool that will be used to build applications or to customize the applications. Okay, if already product is there and you want to use that, then you can go for customize by using the tools. Okay, so it's up to our requirement. Just take the tool and develop the products and sell the products in the market. Or if product is already there defined by Oracle, directly we can use that product. For example, NetSuite is a product. Oracle Fusion Applications is one of the ERP product. NetSuite also is one of the ERP product. Okay, so and then we have other OA, Oracle Analytics Cloud, FAW, Fusion Analytics Warehouse. Okay, and then we have, of course, other tools, Oracle, EBS, ERP is there in the cloud environment. So we have different tools and products are available in the market. DBA tool, OBI, BI reporting, OTBI, like this. Different tools are available. Different products also available. So client can say that they just need only server on rental basis. They just need only server on rental basis, or they says that I need server as well as your tools and products that we can use. Your tools and products that you can use. So it's up to the requirement. The client wants to go with only server, or they want to use some tools and products. Okay, so this is basically cloud business. So what cloud business is, when the clients are using their own servers, when they are taking risk by having 24/7 DBS administrators and also security reasons, and also the different tools are there available. Those tools you can't get outside into your server. For example, OACS tool is there, Oracle Integration Cloud Services, excellent tool for integrations. Okay, so client says that I want to use this tool. Then if you want to use this tool, first you should come to my cloud and subscribe. Then you subscribe to my tool and start using this tool. Okay, I can't give this tool to you. No, not possible. Earlier, what happened? It was not like that. Before 10 years, it was not like that. If you like any tool, you can make the payment, license cost, and get the software, install in your server, and start using that tool. That was the business style in software. But last 10 years, the style has been changed. Any company, you take top any company, what they are doing, they are developing the tools and products completely cloud-based. If you want to use that tool, what you have to do? First, you have to subscribe to their cloud. Then you have to subscribe to their product. Then start using. That's what actually the process. Okay, so that there are advantages, major advantages, because you are just going to subscribe for 1 month or 3 months and see the real taste of that tool or product. If really it is helpful, then you will continue. If not, then you'll just shut down that. Simple. So your money is going to be saved and risk is going to be, and you make the payment today, 24 hours, you will start work on that. Earlier, what happened? You have to buy the software and your DB has to install that software in your server. Then after that only you can use. It takes time and you don't know what are the new updates and all. Again, you have to get the updates and go for apply the patches. This all are manual process, right? So now cloud has came, the work has the work process has become very smooth nowadays in the cloud environment. Okay, that's why more customers we are going to get into the cloud environment. Okay, so what we have done now is we discussed what is cloud. What are different cloud companies are there? What is Oracle Cloud? So Oracle Cloud means indirectly Oracle servers, Oracle data centers. Oracle established data centers in 41 countries. In India too, Singapore is there, Malaysia is there, Sri Lanka also is there, Chile is there, of course, US, UK, Middle East countries, everywhere. 41 is there. Oracle is planning to go for 100 data centers. Why these data centers are established in the region side? Region side means locally. Why it is establishing is, let's say ICICI Bank is there, for example. It's a purely Indian base banking sector, banking company, private banking company. So their complete business is in India. They have their own servers. Okay. They have their own servers and other data centers. Now, what ICICI is planning to do is, it's difficult for us to maintain this all data in my servers, DBAs 24/7. This IT work is going to be hectic for me. So let me start using some cloud servers, some other cloud. Okay. If Oracle give any proposal to ICICI, the first ICICI will ask, where are your data centers? Because I'm running the business. I'm keeping my data in your servers. So obviously I want to know where your servers are established or located, where it is. Is it in India or US or UK, Singapore, Middle East, where exactly? So if it is India, I'm interested because I'm in an Indian-based company. I want to have my servers, my data in India. So if something happens legally, I can approach as per India jurisdictions, rules and regulations. So obviously it's very common requirement. So Singapore company says that obviously if you establish data center in Singapore, yes, we are interested to take your cloud and start using your cloud. Means start using your servers. We will keep all our applications in your server and all our employees will connect to your server and start using our application. So we feel that our data is safe because the data centers are established. No, it's not like the data centers are in other country. It's not safe like that. But obviously, client is the final decision. Client desire is the final decision, right? So definitely, we have to go through as per the client requirement. That's why the companies has established wherever is possible, wherever there is a business. So they started establishing. Even AWS, I think around 48, Azure 44, Google, I think around 39 somewhat. Oracle is going very fast compared to the previous three because they started in 2006, sometime around 20 years back. But Oracle just 10 years back and reached into the top position. The reason is Oracle has got an excellent tools and products inside of the server. Server everybody can provide, right? So you can establish a data center, keep high-end servers and give the access to your customers. So it's just giving server access. That's all. They pay that. But inside of the server, you have to keep the best tools, best products. Then customers will be interested to come to your server. It's as simple as if we want to buy an high-rise apartment, we look for amenities. What are the different amenities are there? So apartment, square feet construction everywhere it can be done, but amenities are very important for the customer, including it's not only the server and security. So those things also. Same way in the cloud, everybody can give the server access to maintain your data or your applications, but what tools and products are there in your server so that I can use the tools and products for my business and make my business is very easy or digitalization or secure. That's so in that scenario, Oracle has got an excellent. We do not have any much tools and things in this area flexible. Oracle is the number one in database, right? Okay. So that's about different tools and products which we have here. Now, any doubts here, please? So far.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, this is Srinivas with you, sir.
Tell me.
Yeah, sir, you said this servers are all virtual servers, and we don't know where they will keep all this data. Then, like, no, then you're saying that these all virtual servers need to be data centers need to be kept in the local areas. How it means same country data, for example, Indian companies or data will be stored in the same virtual servers in the same region, or
Yes, same reason. Because when you become as an valid customer for the company, definitely they will tell you that exactly in which data center, which server you are using. Because
oh,
when
they
I
will
say
they
when I say valid customer, you are paying the money, right? Obviously, you want to know
yeah.
where your data is stored. Definitely, they'll.
Okay,
In
okay.
fact, you can choose that servers.
Okay,
You
okay.
want to keep it in.
There is a choice to the clients to choose
Yeah,
where our
yeah,
data need to be
yes,
stored.
yes. When you want to subscribe for
Okay,
the cloud, first it will ask you want to go with the Hyderabad data center or Bangalore. Sorry, Mumbai, or you want to keep it
okay,
in Singapore.
okay, okay. Fine, sir. And one small thing, sir. Actually, I'm keep in touch with Miss Neelima since 1 week and more than 1 week. You are very busy, she said. You are very busy, but I need your 5 minutes appointment by today or tomorrow, bit of tomorrow at your convenient time, sir. I'm from Kuwait, actually, not from India.
You please talk with our admin. She will tell you. No problem.
Yes, sir. I'm keep in touch with her
Yeah,
only,
yeah.
Miss Neelima.
She will be available from today because last 2 days was holidays, right? Weekend.
Yeah, sir. But no, I need your appointment to speak. Just five
Let's
minutes, sir.
we'll
Any
take
day,
up
any
that
day.
later because we are in session.
Yeah, sure, sure. Sorry to ask you. That's it. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Fine, guys. So we talked about all this. Now we are going for this particular product, Oracle Fusion Applications ERP software. This. Okay. So what is Fusion Applications ERP? It is one of the enterprise Oracle Fusion Applications is one of the ERP software or application or product. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. This is basically if there are any enterprises, are maintaining their resource information. When I say their resource, means their suppliers, customers, employees, banks, assets, machineries, infrastructure, business plans, policies. These all are resources for company. Okay. If they want to maintain their resources in a proper plan, they have to maintain their day-to-day business data in the ERP software so that they can easily analyze what is the business status, what will be the business status, what was our business last quarter or last year, what could be the business in future next year or next quarter. So that will be very easy for analysis. Okay. So ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. There will be a lot of ERP companies are there in the market. So Oracle Fusion Applications is one of the cloud-based ERP. What is the difference between normal ERP and cloud-based ERP? Normal ERP means you can make the payment and buy the software and install in your server and you maintain your DBS and start using that application. That is normal. Or we call it as on-premises ERP. Cloud-based means it's already installed in Oracle servers. When Oracle says, this is my cloud ERP, it's stored in Oracle servers. If AWS company says that it's my ERP, then that ERP stored in AWS servers. You don't need to install. You don't need to recruit the DBAs or administrators or security people. 24/7, that cloud-based company will take care. This company 24/7 will take care about your product. Then what you have to do is, first you subscribe to this cloud. Then you subscribe to this product. Subscription is nothing but a license. Subscription is nothing but a license. Once you subscribe to the product, then start using the product. You configure the product, you make some changes or developments or extensions or configuration setups. Okay. Then start using the product. Who will use your product? Obviously, your employees. For example, you go to ICICI Bank. If you want to open an account, you will go to an employee and ask, I want to open account. They'll ask you some details about you, and they'll ask you to submit the documents, and they'll enter all the details. So they are using the software. Okay, they are client employees, right? Cashier, right from the cashier to top level management, everybody required the application access for data entry, for data searching, for data visualization, security, uploading, downloading, database backup, every day-to-day transaction, right from the security to top level director also, they use software. Without software, it's not at all possible running the applications. Running the business. Okay. So ERP softwares are there in the market right from 1995, not from today. Right from 1995, ERP market is there. Okay. But now cloud-based ERP market has become more popular. Why this more become popular is earlier, if small clients, if they want to maintain the ERP software, it's difficult for them. Buy a server, recruit the DBS, buy the license cost, okay, and maintain this 24/7 server application, and it was a problem. That's why small clients, they were not much interested to go to the ERP applications. They used to build their own some local applications, or they used to maintain the data in Excel sheet or some other options. But now this cloud-based companies are more flexible. If you make the payment today, okay, and that also subscription cost. Earlier, if you want to buy a software, for example, earlier if it is $100, now subscription cost will be only $10. Earlier, whether you use the product, whether it is suitable for you or not, doesn't matter. You should pay $100 and buy the software, install in your server, and start using it. If you feel that after installation, if it is not flexible for your business, then your $100 gone. But now it's not like that. Just pay $10 first and start using the application. You feel that comfort, then go for subscribe increment every year, every 2 years, or like that. So here, it's your money is going to be saved, and 24/7 cloud-based company will take. So this company will take care of your servers. 99.99 up server up will be there. So you don't need to worry about the, you don't need to worry about database servers. Sorry, DBS and all. You don't need to worry. They have their own DBS. They'll take care of it. Okay, so that's why small clients also started using the ERP. When I say small client, less than 4,000 employees. If we have less than 4,000 employees, obviously it's a small client. So they also started using this ERP softwares nowadays. So what is ERP? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It is one of the product or application or software which is used to maintain the financials data, supply chain data, human capital management data, CRM data, your project management data, your recruitment data, your public sector, any data can be maintained in the ERP applications. Okay. So generally in the ERPs, when we say what is Oracle Fusion applications is one of the cloud-based ERP. What are the domains you can manage? Means what type of business data you can manage here? Finance data, supply chain management data, human capital management data, CRM data, ORC Oracle recruitment cloud data, then PPM, project portfolio management data. You can also maintain students data, nothing but a university. You can maintain public sector. When I say public sector, like court and planning, town planning, corporations, municipal corporations, transportation. For example, Telangana State RTC, TSRTC has started implementing this software to maintain their accounting information. Telangana State RTC has started using this software to maintain their accounting information. Okay, so anybody can start using these applications nowadays because cloud-based is going to be very familiar and flexible for the clients, less cost. Okay, so these are different domains we have. These are different domains we have. It's up to the client what they wanted to have. It's up to the requirement. For example, let's say there is a company called MRF Corporation. So they are already using some finance application to maintain their accounts. Now they want to use supply chain management only to maintain their procurement. So what is supply chain management? In the name itself, supply chain management. If the material is there, products are there, you will try to store the material or assemble the material or manufacture the material, or you will repair the material. Finally, you will send it to the customers. You will get it from the suppliers. So this all items are moving, items are storing, items are assembling, items are getting manufacturing. This entire day-to-day transactions I want to maintain in the application. That's what supply chain management. For example, you send any courier through DTDC, they'll give you an request number. So they'll ask you to check in the website. So you will, as a customer, you will go to website and give the number and see the status. You will see that material is delivered to the customer location and so and so date and so and so time by so and so person. It means they are using the supply chain management software and keeping their updating, keep on updating. So whatever the things are happening day to day, they try to maintain in a proper format. We call it as a supply chain management. Majorly, we will find here 3 modules. What are those modules in supply chain management? Inventory module. So inventory is used to maintain the items information. What are different items we have for our client, and item quantities, item transactions. This all we are going to have it here. It is. Then we are going to have procurement. Okay. So procurement is a combination of sub-modules, 5 modules. One is purchasing, another one is self-service procurement. Self-service procurement. Then sourcing. After that, supplier portal. After that, supplier qualification management. Supplier qualification management. So when you combine, of course, procurement contractors, a small module is there, procurement contracts. The 6 modules, if you combine, it's going to be procurement module. Then finally, we'll get an order management, sales, managing order, sales order data here, order management. So these 3 modules, we call it as supply chain management. Majorly 3, but if we go through the sub modules like purchasing, self-service procurement, sourcing, supplier portal, supplier qualification management, procurement contract here and all. Now in the latest version, a lot of changes have came. People who has learned Oracle Fusion supply chain management around 1 year back or 2 years back, before 1 year, whoever has learned, they must again learn this latest features, whatever introduced by Oracle, because Oracle is going very faster in cloud fusion applications, especially. A lot of changes as there in the latest versions that we will be discussing in the tomorrow's session. Okay, so supply chain management is nothing but this. Who will use this software, supply chain management? Whoever is maintaining the inventory, means whoever is maintaining the warehouses, they use this procurement also, as well as the sales also. Okay, so for example, automotive companies, manufacturing companies, retail industries, and the regular items, supply items, receiving, procurement, sales, all this. So of course, procurement is required here for everybody. For example, ICICI Bank is there. Generally, their business is banking sector. They day to day is complete accounting, cash flow, opening balance, closing balance, cash deposits, withdrawals, loans, okay, and all. But still, they have around 40,000 employees, right? So if the employee required something, how they will raise the request? If they want to purchase something for their company, because 40,000 employees means not a joke, right? We'll have hundreds of branches. Every branch, something necessary things are required for the office purpose or employees point of view, anything it is. Okay, definitely they need a procurement process. Okay, so what they do is employees will raise the request, they get the quotations from suppliers, they do analysis, and they finally give the order to the suppliers, right? So obviously procurement is required for every company. It's not like inventory may be required or not, because inventory is for the people who are having the godowns or warehouses or inventories, we call it. All are same words. Okay, so if client says that I am storing these goods on these locations, obviously you need to maintain that what items you stored, when you stored, who has stored, how much quantity got damaged, because of this damage, how much loss we got, like costing. This all obviously required when I have some hundreds of branches and when I'm doing the crores of business. Then only I can keep my business on control. Otherwise, it's difficult to maintain with employees without having a proper system, right? So that's why we need supply chain management system. Of course, order management is nothing but a sales. Nowadays, we are going to have the sales is offline, online, everything, everywhere is there. We are getting the orders, different sources. So we need to manage all this sales orders data and all, right? That's where it comes as supply chain management. So supply chain management is used to keep all the data in a proper format of our day-to-day transactions. Then it will be in supply chain. Okay. So what are the job roles we'll find in Oracle Fusion application supply chain management? There will be two things. One is functional consultant, another one is technical consultant. There will be two roles: supply chain management functional, supply chain management technical here. So we'll find two things here. It is supply chain functional and supply chain technical. Okay. So what are the responsibilities of functional consultant? Functional consultant mainly is going to communicate with the company senior level management or stakeholders and gather the requirement and prepare the document. We will find different phases in the project. In the project initiation stage, functional consultant will be there, planning and designing, and after that, configurations and setups, and then data migration is a technical responsibility. Testing, obviously, we have to do as functional consultant, and we should train the end users. We should train the end users so that they'll be able to use the application. Even administrators and support staff also, we should train them. And finally, we have to give the support for the client according to that. Okay. So here, as a functional consultant, our responsibility mainly gathering the requirement, prepare the documentation, get the approval from the client, set up this requirements, and then test it. After that, we have to deliver to client. Then we have to migrate from development to testing, testing to production. That's how we will be doing it. Okay. So that's the responsibilities of functional consultant. Next. Technical consultant responsibility is mainly development of BI reports, OTBI reports, and personalizations and customizations. That's what we are going to do it here. Mainly technically, we are going for development and customizations. We are going to do that. So that's going to be a technical role.
How about the testing, sir?
Testing we have to do. We have to do that. ERP testing, application testing is different. General testing tools are different. Yeah, that is different.
So technical, is it only about the reporting? I mean, OB reports or OI reports?
Reporting, we will find BI reports.
Only BI reports.
Yeah. We will also find OTBI reports.
And I mean, do we cover both technical and functional in this?
No, purely functional we will cover. Okay. We will have technical basics only. How to build one BI report, how to build one OTBI analysis.
Okay.
So here, because technical, it comes as data migration. And then we will also find the personalizations, ADF personalizations part. Okay. So we will be discussing 100% functional because this is purely functional course. 100% end-to-end implementations of inventory module, procurement module, order management module, and also we'll be discussing costing module, and then we'll be discussing receipt accounting module. Costing and receipt accounting also we'll be discussing.
How about pricing?
Pricing is a part of order management. We'll be discussing price administrations. So here, a detailed syllabus, we will be talking about that tomorrow. In the tomorrow session, detailed discussion, we'll do it. Syllabus. This is high level modules, what we are going to discuss in our training. Okay. So here, when we are talking about the roles and responsibilities, functional consultant responsibility, technical consultant responsibility is this.
Hi, sir. Uday here. So parallelly, would we get access to an environment for our hands-on?
Sorry, come again.
Uh, Parallelly, would we get any access to environment fusion
Yes,
and
yes. We provide the server access 6 to 8 months.
okay.
6 to 8 months you can access the server. No problem.
Sir, is the functional consultant responsible for the integration as well here, or is it for the technical consultant?
It's a technical only integrations.
So for in companies also, if we are a functional consultant, we'll have a separate integration people with us.
Sorry, come again. I'm sorry, I missed.
So if we are working on a project in a company after this course, for the integration aspects, do we have separate integration people with us, or like
Separate
we'll be sole?
integration. Yeah, OSCS integration tool, OSCS people must be separate because it's difficult to work integrations also. No, we are purely functional consultant. We'll have some basic idea. Okay, where do we do BI reports? Where do we do analysis? And data migration, of course, we do it. Data migration also, normal migrations we can do a BDA spreadsheet data loader. So if something complexity is there, that should be validated and where you have to write a coding. So that's not our job. It's a functional, technical job. There should be separate technical team.
And sir, is accounts payable a part of this course, or like is it just procured to invoicing?
Yes, only procure to invoice. It's not going to be part of this. Procure to pay cycle, order to cash cycle we'll be discussing. When we take procure to pay cycle for the purchase order, how the invoice will be created, how this invoice will be validated, accounted, approved, and then payments done and transfer accounts to GL. Up to that, we will be discussing.
Okay, okay, sir.
Hi, sir. This is Srini with you, sir.
Tell.
Sir, is there any soft copy material will be provided, sir? Is the step by step, like no, when we are doing all those things, sir?
We'll be doing step by step setups and testing and all.
Those soft copy or material can be shared, sir.
Yeah, we have sufficient material and we'll share it even
RTL material will be there, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay.
Sir, we are actually saying this as a techno-functional course. So, would like to understand what are the technical things
We
touch?
can say that this is going to be 100% functional and 40% technical, not fully. Because technical means again you have to be clear with SQL, PLSQL. That's different, right?
Okay. So, are we going to cover some basic stuff here with respect to technical or completely?
Yes. Basics we'll be discussing. I'll show that how to build one BI report and where do we find SQL queries and where do we build the analysis and how to do data migration. Of course, we'll be doing it.
Okay. Sure. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So this is about the roles and responsibilities of the functional and technical. Next, environment. So one is SaaS environment, another one is a PaaS environment. We have SaaS means software as a service, which is private cloud. We call it as, sorry, it's public cloud. PaaS means platform as a service. It is a private cloud. It is a private cloud. Okay. So here, when client says that I want to use Oracle Cloud, means Oracle servers. In this servers, we have two options. One is private cloud, another one is public cloud. So public cloud means same server will be shared to the multiple people. Software as a service, which is very less price. Software as a service. where functional role is same, no difference in the functional role. That's common. There will be a same role functional, whether it is in PaaS model or in SaaS model. Private cloud means individual server, dedicated server. So big clients, obviously, they go for private cloud. They won't use public. Okay. So the difference between private and public is, in private cloud, you can build your own modules. You can design your own database. You can develop your own integrations, and also you can store your applications also. For example, let's say there is a client called Reliance Fresh is there. They might be using some other applications. So they want to upload those applications also into Oracle. Yeah, they can do it. They can upload their applications, and also they can use Fusion applications. So because you are subscribing for a private cloud, means dedicated server, which is costly. Obviously, it is costly. It takes more cost. Okay, there in dedicated server, technical consultant work will be more. These are the responsibilities in SaaS model. In the SaaS model, these are the responsibilities. Okay, so same responsibilities you will find in the PaaS model also. In addition, you will be able to develop new pages. Means you can use VBCS tool and you can start development of new tools. Then you are going to use OICS, Oracle Integration Cloud Services. Then you will develop integrations. Okay. Then you can start development of procedures and functions. You will be connecting to the database. You will be using the database. Here also you will connect to the database, but only you can run select statement here. You can run select statement. You can't even do the update statement and delete also. Not possible. Only select statement will work. Whatever select statement means, you are selecting the data and they're trying to publish in the output.
Hello, is the
Okay. So here you can find additionally page development, where you can write JavaScript and other things. Then you can build OACS. Then you will be able to work with the database, cloud services, and all you are going to write. Right. That's where the things comes. So environments now 99% nowadays SaaS model is going on. PaaS model still it's not that much. PaaS model, PaaS model, we don't have much. SaaS model, more projects are going on. So that's why functional role same, whether it is SaaS model or PaaS model, doesn't matter. You will find the same, options, same responsibilities. So 2 environments will be there, and obviously ours will be the SaaS model. And even if we are attending for an interviews, which model you are working, we can say that we are working for SaaS model here it is. Okay. So let's go go through this video. I'll be uploading this video in our YouTube channel. You can you can subscribe for this RTL online trainings. I'll upload in another 1 hour, so you can access from here. So tomorrow we'll go for second demo, supply chain management. Today it was purely on theoretical part. We covered very basics from the cloud. Maybe if you are already knowing about the cloud and ERP and other, maybe it's got a little bit boring. But tomorrow, obviously, it is going to be pure practical. Then we'll be working with applications tomorrow, and we'll take one assignment tomorrow, and we'll see how this assignment will be configured and how it will be tested. So both configuration as well as testing. So that if you are new to the ERP industry, then you will come to know what work we are going to do it. Okay, whether we can do it or not, whether it's interesting or not, because these 2 points are very important in the IT industry to get the job and to get survive. You must love the technology. And the second one is you should understand the technology. If any of these two is lacking, then difficult to survive in the long career and difficult to reach the better positions in the IT industry. Okay, so today we did theory and
Yeah, hi
tomorrow
sir,
we'll
this
take
is
up.
Sandeep. I have few queries.
Tell me.
You have mentioned about procurement in the submodules. You have purchasing and all those things, self-procurement.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So my query is where all we can cover related to manufacturing, like production planning, capacity planning.
No, but that is not part of
configuring.
this course.
So in which module it will cover, sir? Related to manufacturing.
Planning, manufacturing is not in our syllabus.
Not in this one, but in which module? Like
that is
SCM,
separate
right?
module actually. In supply chain management, advanced it comes manufacturing and planning.
Okay, in SCM itself, it is manufacturing and planning is a separate module.
We can say supply chain management is different, manufacturing and planning is different. We cannot include that in the supply chain management. Yes.
Like master data, bill of materials, and
yes.
everything.
Manufacturing and planning is completely different, and in fact, it's a little bit difficult also to manage learning also.
Okay. The reason is I'm a production planner, domain experience, so I'm asking those questions.
No, we are not covering that. That's a separate course. Okay. In fact, RTL is not providing that course.
Manufacturing.
Yes, manufacturing and planning is a separate course. The people who has already learned supply chain management, people who are already having at least 1 or 2 years of experience in supply chain management, they will be learning manufacturing and planning. So we are not a part of that.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, I do have one question.
Tell me.
Yeah, actually, I do have experience in supply chain management about 3 years. Okay, but I don't have any knowledge in Oracle.
No problem. No problem. This course, whatever we are going to provide, it's going to be for right from the freshers to experienced level. So people who are applying as a fresher, you are passed out in 2023 or 2024 BTech, still you can learn this because we start right from the basic to expert level.
Okay. But interview prospects, the interviewer asked whether my previous company it has been used or not, right?
No problem. That is not an issue. You can easily learn this and go up.
The interviewer know whether my company is work with Oracle or not. Is that right?
They will not be knowing because if you say that my company is using Oracle Cloud supply chain management, they cannot deny it, right?
Okay.
Let's say there is a Big C Mobile. Big C Mobile having around 400 or 500 stores they have, and they have around 5,000 employees. Okay, so if Big C employee says that we are using Oracle Cloud Fusion ERP to maintain all our supply chain data, so I can't deny it, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Fine. Thank you, guys. Let's see you tomorrow. Tomorrow at the same time, same meeting. You can find this recording session in another 1 hour in this YouTube channel. Thank you.
Thank you.